Welcome back. This is the second difficult example we are going to see in this section. Again, this is a proof question. We have to show tan squared x minus cos squared x plus 1 equivalent to tan squared x bracket 1 plus cos squared x. Let's denote this side is left hand side. This one is right hand side. So let me write the trigonometric identities. Tan x is sin x over cos x. Since we are dealing with tan squared x, maybe it's better to square everything here. So tan squared x be equal to sin squared x over cos squared x, right? And the second identity is, in this question, we can start from left hand side as well as right hand side. For this change, let's start from right hand side. Tan squared x 1 plus cos squared x. So let me expand the bracket. So tan squared x times 1 is tan squared x plus tan squared x times cos squared x is tan squared x times cos squared x. Now we can use this formula to replace this one. So it's going to be tan squared x plus sin squared x over cos squared x times cos squared x. Now we can cancel this one. Cos squared x and cos squared x will cancel. So we are left with tan squared x plus sin squared x. If we look at our left hand side, we don't have sin squared x. From our second identity here, sin squared x equal to 1 minus cos squared x. Therefore, we can replace the sin squared x with 1 minus cos squared x. So the answer is tan squared x plus 1 minus cos squared x, and this is exactly equivalent to left hand side of our equation. So this concludes the proof. Thank you.